Hey guys, welcome back to the Not Study video. Guys, in this video we will discuss when you try to add card to your Apple Pay or Apple Cash, you may face a problem that could not add card. Try again later or contact your card issuer for more information. So how can you fix it? So guys, we can fix it very easily. So simply guys, you may just go back and first of all you may make sure that you have an active internet connection. So simply you may just open settings and you may make sure that your internet is working properly. After this, here's the option of VPN. Is there is any connected VPN, you may disconnect that. After this, here's the option of general, so you may click here and click on software update and update your iPhone or iPad to the latest iOS 18 version. So after this, here's the option of beta update. So if beta updates are turned on, you may turn these off and you may update your iPhone to official update. Then guys, you may go back and you make sure that you live in that country or region where Apple Pay or Apple Cash is available. After this, you may contact to your bank or your card issuer and ask them your problem. So you will make sure that your card is ported to your Apple Pay or Apple Cash and it's working, or you may change your card and you may check your problem will be fixed. So if your problem is still not fixed by all these methods, then you may scroll it down again and here is the option of wallet and Apple Pay. So click here and you may turn on Apple Cash from here. Then guys, you may set up your Apple Cash, then you may add card and you will check your problem will be fixed. So if you don't want to add your card from here, then you may click here and you may click on account information, and guys, a temporary card will be issued from your Apple Cash or Apple Pay, so you may use them for one time and after this you can add your card permanently. So this is the video guys. For more videos please subscribe our channel.